Good morning, children. Yesterday we have completed worksheet 2 of time and money. Today we are going to enter into the worksheet 1 of measurements. Worksheet 1 of measurements. Page number 35. Page number 35. Before entering into the measurements, please remember what is in the measurements. See, I have two objects. One small cricket ball, and another one is football or basketball, whatever you say, football or basketball. With this cricket ball. This is football or basketball. I take football here. Football. Which one will be more weight? I think football will be less weight because all of scale. Basketball. Which one will be heavier? Which one will have less weight? This will have the less weight and this will be having the more weight. Or example, you take buckets in your house. This is some bucket. This is a big bucket. In your house, it is a big bucket. Next, I will take a small bucket. Which one water will be having more weight if you fill full water? Which one will have more weight? Which one you can't lift? This one will be the more weight comparatively with this less one. So this will be the heavier. This will be the heavier. This will be the lighter. This is the heavier and this is the lighter. Means light means having less weight comparatively with the heavier one. This is the heavier one means having more weight. Having more weight. And see the measurements. We, as I said, in the old years, that is millions of years ago, we don't have any equipments to measure some lengths or anything. So then what they have used? They used their body parts. In the olden ancient days, in the olden ancient times, they don't have any equipments to measure like scale or anything like measuring circles. Nothing they used to have. So what they used? They used their hands and the palms and fingers, all they used to measure. So they used the body parts to measure in the olden ancient days. Now we have many equipments like scale. So body parts are used in old ancient days. Body parts are used to measure. Now we use the equipments. Next, see here we have learned 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, and I am saying that length is calculated in centimeters. Length is calculated here. Length is calculated with what are the units calculated with? Or measured. Don't write the calculator or measured. Length is measured with millimeter, centimeter and meter. Millimeter, centimeter and meter. Take your scale into your house. Take your scale in your house. See, you will have a scale like this. Up to 12, 0 to 12 inches, 0 to 12 inches. 0 to 12 centimeters you say, 0 to 12 centimeters. Here you see you will have some lines. Like that you will have up to 12, right? These calculated are millimeters. These ones are difference, they have the small difference. This is millimeter. This is we calculated as centimeter. And the one big one, that is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So which value is more? Which value is more? Meters is more. Next centimeter. Next millimeter. Less. It will be increasing. Millimeter will be very tiny. Millimeter is less length. Centimeter has more than the millimeter but lesser than the meter. Meter is the more. Compared to this is we measure very long length, we go with meters. See, long length, short length, shortest length. Shortest means among these three, this is a very less. When we have a very less length, we will compare with the millimeters. We will go with the millimeters. Suppose take your book, take your worksheet book. See here. This we calculate in the centimeters. This we calculated in the centimeters. But see this race worksheets all, we go with the millimeters. They are smaller. Got it? Okay, now we will go into the worksheet 1. Now we will go into the worksheet 1. Worksheet 1. A bit. Worksheet 1, A bit. What is the first one in the A bit? What is the first one in the A bit? Body parts are used to measure length. Yeah, body parts are used to measure a length. I already said you they use the elbow to the hand. They used to measure a length. And from finger also they used one tiny finger. And next they use the hand like this. So they use. So answer is A. That is S. Answer is S. S they used to measure. Answer they used to measure Circle the lightest animal, tick the heaviest animal. Lightest and heaviest. If we have 3 balls, not 3 balls, I go with okay, box. This is one box. This is another box. This is the another box. I have 3 boxes. Which one is heavier here and which one is heavy here and which one is the heaviest here? See here, we call it as heavy. We said this is only heavy. So next one, this is more heavy than this. We call it as heavier. This is more weight than that. So it is heaviest. When we say heaviest means that is the more weight comparatively to. Means when you are comparing any things, 3 things. Heaviest means that is the more weight among those 2. Heavier means which has medium height. Medium height then the bigger one and the lower one. That is the medium height. Heavy means it is having a normal weight. Light and only light. Light. Light means having the less weight. This will be the light. This will be the lighter. This is the lightest. Light means having the less weight. This is having the less weight this side. This is having more less weight than that. So this is the lighter. And lightest means having the lessest weight among that. See here, lightest. Lightest means there is a rat and elephant and lion. Rat, here is a rat and here is the elephant. Look in your workbooks, elephant and there is a lion. Right? We have 3 animals, rat, elephant and lion. Right? They said circle the lightest animal. Lightest animal means having the lesser weight among these 3. Having the less weight among these 3. Which has less weight? Rat. Lion is bigger than rat and elephant is also bigger. Sorry. Lion is bigger than rat and elephant also bigger than the rat. So circle the lightest. Next they said heaviest. Among these 3, which has more body and heavier body? Elephant. Elephant is bigger than the lion and bigger than the rat. So this is the elephant. Put tick mark under the elephant and circle the rat. Next, take the object that can hold more. Okay. I said the recent example bucket. I said the recent example buckets. In these buckets, in the different size of these buckets, which will have more water? This will have more water. That means holds more water. In this bucket, it will hold more water comparatively this. This will have the less water. Means holding means having the capacity. Capacity means in that how much you can fill the water. There is a capacity. So C-bit, see the C-bit. First one, they gave a tank. They gave a water tank or something tank. And another one they gave a lorry tank. They gave a lorry tank. Which will hold more? See the sizes. Which will hold more? Obviously this that lorry tank, because it has a heavy container comparatively the tank. So take this lorry. Under the lorry tank, take this. Next, cup and spoon. Next, cup and spoon. See there has a cup and spoon. Okay, see, while drinking a milk, you see when you pour in the cup, you will get this much milk. Up to what is the length of the cup, you will get the milk. But in spoon, you only get a few little amount. Few little you will get. So, which will hold more water comparatively to this both? Cup will have the more weight. So, more water it will hold. Water or milk, whatever it is, the liquid form, it will hold how much shape they are asking. D1 you do for the homework. D1 you do for the homework. It's what they have asked. Take the object that will hold less. Now we did hold more. That is, cup will hold more milk than the spoon. Spoon will have lesser amount. Cup will have more amount of milk. So D, or in the D they are asking less. Comparatively, two objects they gave. In that object, which will have the less it will hold, which will have the less quantity. They are asking. You have to pick the correct one. Okay, children. I am giving homework. Complete worksheet books. Complete worksheet books. Okay. Thank you, children.